Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Safari could not open the page because the server stopped responding. For example, if you try to open a website on Safari on iPhone iOS 26 and after that you see this kind of error is happening again and again and you try to open the same web page and this is happening. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to close the page, and after closing the page, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and in this time you have to go to general, and in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to try to open that website again. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to the apps and you have to check whether your Safari settings are available or not. So you have to simply open the Safari and you have to check for the settings, and here you have to make sure that your clear history and website data option is working, and you have to simply clear the website history and data. And moreover, you can also check for the request desktop website, because some website only support desktop sites, so you have to simply check for that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back and try to open that website again, and this time hope the website will open. If the problem is still there, then you have to wait for some time, so that because sometimes the website has too many users, that's why it is not responding to some users, so you have to wait for some time. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.